Okay, this is your simulated radar from this afternoon. You can see the rain here. Been a few downpours with this as this comes through, but it's short-lived as it moves on through. We kind of get into this gets into Jersey this evening around 8, 9 o'clock, and well, actually a little bit sooner than that. It gets into Jersey. Let's see, it gets in there around 7 o'clock, 6, 7 o'clock, it starts coming through, and then it goes off, and then we're kind of in a shower situation overnight. There could be some heavier downpours out this way as we get later tonight. This is around midnight that you're looking at with all these showers in between here. The actual cold front has still got a little ways to go. You can see these actually are can be definitely some thunderstorms mixed in with these and some heavier downpours. This is around 2, 3 o'clock in the morning while most of us are sleeping. And you could see the direct line across here. This now has pushed it out to around 3, 4 o'clock in the morning. And then you can see it move through. This takes you to around 7 o'clock. Showers off and on. And then here's your actual front. Just starting to come into PA around 1 o'clock, 12, 1 o'clock. And it too will have a couple of thunderstorms. You can see as the day goes on, this is around 2. It's now starting to form a pretty good line here. There'll be wind involved with this as it crosses the state. This takes you to around 4, 3, 4 o'clock. You can see a direct line here, and it's if you look back here, you can actually see where the changeover is at, and I can show you how strong this front is. There's your line. I mean, you can literally see temperatures in the 60s and the 20s back here. If you looked at my video yesterday, it looked pretty similar to this as it's crossing the state. And again, this is around 5, 6 o'clock in the afternoon tomorrow as it comes through. There's some gusty winds with this ahead of it. Could be in the 40s. I'll show you that when we're all finished here with this. And let's go back to the precipitation as it crosses the state. Okay, so we'll move this to around 7, 8 o'clock. You can see the snow behind it doesn't stay caught up in the southern part of Pennsylvania. It kind of just trickles across the north, and then you get some off the lake. You get some squalls going on back here. The heavier rains now are from Philly, Trenton, down South Jersey, heading up towards New York, and then all the way down through Delaware and down towards D.C., where you see some of that going on. And yeah, here you go. Here's around 9 o'clock. And you can see 8, 9 o'clock. We got some snow up here in the extreme northeastern PA that is a little bit on the heavier side. This is basically just light flurries out to the west. And then as we move this ahead to around 9, 10 o'clock, and we see it moving away. And this is by midnight. It's gone off the coast. And then you're just left with some squalls that could have a little bit of snow involved where it sticks. You can see how strong these are coming off. This almost reaches over towards Albany down here. And then here's a line here that could stretch into Pennsylvania. And we all know how it works with these squalls as they go by. This takes you to tomorrow morning around 9, 10 o'clock. And you can see you could have some squalls up north here. Montrose up that way. And then some out here towards Bedford. And then you'll see it kind of fades off as we go through the afternoon. And then we're left with nothing. All right, that's your radar report.